What are the factors common to 72 and 56? Now, what does this question mean? For a number to be a factor of some other number, like for example 1, for 1 to be a factor of another number, then you must be able to multiply 1 by some number to give you the number that you want, let's say 72. Now, is there any number that you can multiply by 1 to get you 72? Well, 1 multiplied by any number gives you 70, the number itself. So you multiply 1 by 72 gives you 72. Similarly, you multiply 1 by 56, you get 56. So 1 is a factor of both 72 and 56, or a common factor. Now what about 4? Is there any number you can multiply by 4 to get you 72? Well, if you divide 72 by 4, you get 18. So 4 multiplied by 18 gets you to 72. And what about with 56? Can you multiply 4 by something to give you 56? Four multiplied by 14 gives you 56. So 4 is also a factor of 56. So yes, 42 is a common factor of both 72 and 56. Now, can you multiply 7 by something to give you 72? Well, with 7 multiplied by 9 gives you 63, while 7 multiplied by 10 gives you 70. So no, there is no number you can multiply by 7 to get you to 72. So it's not a common factor of both 72 and 56. Now, is there any number you can multiply by 8 to get you to 72? Well, 8 nines are 72, so yeah. And is there any number you can multiply by 8 to get you to 56? 8 sevens are 56. So 8 is a factor of both 56 and 72, so it's a common factor. And what about 9? Can you multiply 9 by something to get you to 72? Well, yeah, we just talked about that. 9 into 8 gets you to 72. Now, can you multiply 9 by something to get you to 56? Well, 9 into 5 gives you 45, while 9 into 6 gets you to 54. 9 into 7 gets you to 63. So, no, there is no number that you can multiply by 9 to get you to 56. So 9 is not a common factor of 72 and 56.